Yeah, I love you too.
Anong I love you too? I love you too. I love you.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah, I miss you too. I miss you too. I love you too. Oh, I'm good. Yeah, everything you do. Yeah, I love you too.
Anong I love you too? I love you too. I love you too. I love you too.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Sino yung ina-I love you-an mo?
You crazy? What are you doing?
Sino ina-I love you-an mo?
Baliw ka ba?
Ikaw baliw ka. Sino ina-I love you-an mo?
Stop! Masakit!
Sino
Do
ina-I
you know who I'm talking?
Sino?
That's the one you need to ask first before you do this. Masakit! Gago!
Who's that?
Baliw ka ba? Who's that?
Sino nga?
You don't need to know anymore because you do whatever you want already.
Oh, who's that?
Di ko alam.
Wala ka.
Baliw ka ba?
Who's that? Sino nga yun?
Why you do this?
Ikaw kasi.
No, ikaw kasi crazy. Baliw, you ask me first before you do this.
Sino ba kinakausap mo? Sino ang kinakausap mo? Bakit ka nag-I love you?
You need to ask first. Now you don't need to know anymore because you put something in my head. You need to ask me first.
Nakakapagtaka kasi, bakit ka nag-I love you? Sige?
That's
Nag-I love you ka na, nag-I miss you ka pa.
That's the one you need to do first before you do
Bala
this.
ka sa buhay mo.
Just ask me first.
Bala
Masakit,
ka.
gago, parang taka.
Bala ka
Taka
na.
ka.
Ikaw din.
Taka.
Bala ka.
That's my mom. I'm talking to my mom.
The problem is you. Oh no. Dapat sinasabi mo ganito. Hello, mom. I love you. I miss you. Hello, mom. Listen.
So I need to say mom?
Yes! Para alam ko na mom mo yung kausap mo. Para kang ano, hindi ka nag-iisip.
That's my mother.
Hindi ka nag-iisip.
You say I miss you. I say I miss you too.
Bala ka.
And with that, I say I love you too. And you put this in my head. Just asking me, Alpha, who's the one you talking?
Kaya nga, dapat nga susunod. Hello, mom. I miss you. I love you.
But you're wrong. You're wrong. You do something wrong. You need to accept that. You're wrong. Just ask me first.
I will not ask you.
You need to ask me first. Oh, sige. If you talk someone and say I love you, I put something. So, is it okay?
It's easy. Hello, mom. I love you too. I miss you, mom. Mama, mom. Oh,
So, you mean you are the only one I need to say I love you. You are the only one I need
it's
to
not about that. But you need to tell mom, so I will know that's your mother.
So, why you need to tell mom? I don't need to tell mom. You are the one need to tell asking me. You need to tell asking me first. Who's the one you talk? And I say, yeah, it's my mom, babe. So it's over. So why you put this one in my head? It's masakit. Parang taka. Wala ko sa buhay mo. You do something now you are the one talk too much.
Yes, of course. I'm right.
Are
I'm
you-
right always. I'm right always. Kala mo? Kaya next time, hello mom, I miss you too. Ganon, di ka marunong.
I will not say that.
Tapos na ako sa'yo. Bala ka sa buhay mo.
Yun.
Oh.